So I became aware that I needed your services because I had a hole open up under my sidewalk, and it proceeded to go up under my porch, and I became very nervous. I spoke to a trusted family member who suggested I should get 3 quotes, which is something that I did. Using AI technology, believe it or not, it actually brought up Helicon as a very reputable company. And I looked into the reviews and decided to go with you guys. From the very beginning, the team was amazing. I am a very personable person. I like warm, friendly communication. That's actually something that makes or breaks. I'm not really a numbers focused person. I'm quality over quantity. And so how someone makes me feel is very important to me doing business with them. And from the very first call with Mitch, who came out and said he would do the quote, I couldn't be available that day as well. So he came out, he kept me informed, he called me, and he explained everything like I felt like I was talking to a friend, if that makes sense. And so I felt like I could trust him, and I appreciated that. And then the foreman, Ray, Tony called me scheduled. The foreman, Ray, and his team came out, and I had to be out of town for business. I thought I was going to have to reschedule, and they told me don't worry about it. They'd keep me up to date, and they did. He FaceTimed me and sent me photos while I was, hundreds of miles away. It's kind of that situation where you don't really know you need something until you receive it, and then you're like, wow, I needed this all along. So I never really noticed how hollow my porch felt or even the sidewalk. I knew that there was dirt missing in the cave-in, but from the time that I got returned home from my trip and started walking on it, it felt very secure and safe, which I appreciate because one of the things that made me choose Helicon, I looked at the reviews, I value the experiences of other customers who have dealt with you guys, and I also prayed about it. And I had a great feeling, and once I got home on Friday and I began to walk on it, I also have a 4-year-old that runs through my yard and across the sidewalk, so I felt very confident that I can sleep at night now knowing that I don't have to worry about something happening.